We are headed to the Khlongs of Bangkok. But first, I'm gonna get some coffee. For those of you who don't know, a Khlong is a canal. Yeah, the sky's opening up. Nice. This isn't the main Khlong that I'm going to today, but this is one that I pass every single day. This building was just destroyed. Formerly known as the Bangkok Transit System card, BTS. But I like to call it my bits. Got my bits card. Look at the difference of the clouds just from one side of the city to the other. Yeah, check out those wires. All right, we're coming up to the Khlong here. It's called Saen Saep. Not sure if I'm saying that right, but yeah, Saen Saep Khlong. Let's get a look from this bridge and see what we have to work with. These reflections are really cool. I'm gonna try and get some photos of that. I'm sure we're gonna have a lot of reflections all throughout the Khlong, but let's get some snaps. This tree up here looks pretty sick. I don't want it to look like what it's supposed to look like. Pixelated or like computerized almost. We're gonna get some reflection shots. This looks pretty sick right now. I'm just trying to avoid a lot of the same type of shot. Pathway going into the horizon line. This is nice. They got all these little lifesavers here. Just in case, I guess. Check it out. This is always interesting to see. Pretty sure a fish just jumped out of the Khlong. This kind of just looks like an ordinary bridge, but what I'm liking is the water and the reflection of people under the bridge. All right, starting to feel a little bit repetitive, and done a ton of photography like this before, so not really feeling it anymore, but hopefully we come up on something new and exciting. Little door. So the Khlong had a break in it. I had to walk towards the main road now. So I'm gonna actually go meet up with a friend, my buddy. We're gonna see him in about an hour. Of course, there's a taxi honking for me. I'm not even trying to get one. Also, if anybody of you wanna know what I'm listening to right now, not sponsored, just giving a good shout. I'm listening to The Skeptic's Guide to the Universe. It's a podcast, it's really good, pretty intelligent people, pretty funny sometimes. Screw it, ordered a grab bike and just gonna get a little closer to my bud. Gonna go to Starbucks for a quick little bite. This guy's name is Chris. I'm on this bridge right over top of this park over the canal, and this shot just looks really cool with these like older condos or older apartments back here. There are so many wires right there. We're gonna try to go to the other side and then work our way back. reflecting in the water. It looks really awesome. But usually it's a race against the clouds and the weather. But today it's a race against the basket. I have to like run ahead of it. I've walked a bit closer to this building over here. And this is really cool because I think the lines, the way they're working, I can actually flip this photo and make it hopefully look like it's right side up, even though it's a reflection, and just look a little distorted. I don't know, we'll see. Let's try. So nice, this local here just sitting here chilling, warned me that it was a dead end before I went down there, but I went anyway for some photos, but still really kind. I think it's time. That's a sign for us to call it quits. Let's head back to the office.
Here we are, we're back in the office. As you can see, it was a pretty gloomy day out, and a lot of those photos had to be edited in post-production. When the weather's bad, it's a good opportunity to go and practice. Any photographer will tell you when it's a bad day out, or when you think the weather's not good, go take photos. Obviously, I'm no master of the trade. You gotta go out and try and get better. That's what this is all about. And plus, it gave me an opportunity to practice my composite photography. That's a tongue twister. Gave me an opportunity to practice my composite photography. Practice composite photography. Got it. I used to feel really bad about editing photos with other photos and doing composites and changing things, but really, it's the art. So as I was taking some of these photos, I was thinking about what I would be doing in post-production. Which skies would I have to replace? Which hues and which saturation and vibrance would I need to bring up? And a little snack in between. Got my mango. Everybody sees different anyway. So it's about your art, it's about what you see, and about what you want to create. And that's exactly what I'm trying to do. It's not always successful. In fact, it's a lot of failure. Original, edit. Original, edit. Original, edit. All right, of course, thank you all for watching. Thanks for coming along the ride. Obviously, if you guys like this video, smash that little likey like button. Woo-hoo! If you liked it more than that, give me a little subby sub, and I guess I'll see you guys later. I'm such an idiot. What am I doing? I have no pants on. Catch you next time. Whew. That's really sweet. Do down.